Are you ready to ace your Ielts exam? Mastering environmental vocabulary is essential. In this video, we'll dive into key terms related to the environment. These words enhance your writing and speaking skills. Let's break it down step by step. First, we'll explore common environmental issues. Think pollution, climate change, and deforestation. Next, we'll learn about important concepts. Think sustainable development. This means meeting our needs without harming future generations. Now, let's look at some essential vocabulary. Words like biodiversity refer to the variety of life on Earth. Conservation means protecting our natural resources. Moving on, let's discuss renewable energy. This is energy we can replenish, like solar and wind power. Here's an example. Imagine describing a government initiative on renewable energy. Use terms like promote, invest, and improve. This shows your understanding of environmental policies. Now, remember these key points. Common environmental issues, sustainability concepts, and essential vocabulary are vital. To truly master these terms, practice regularly. If you want to enhance your Ielts skills further, consider our Transform Academy course. Click the link in the description box below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more helpful content. Thank you for watching.